Yeah, my name is Siddhartha. I'm an undergrad in VNR VJIT, Department of Information Technology. So basically, continuing that part, our product is basically explaining about the DDoS attacks and its detections and prevention system. Coming to the prevention system, we have different different types of intrusion detection models that are developing. So as the number of traffics are being increasing day by day, we need a standalone and straightforward solution to overcome this. To capture this market in various domains, we have developed a product. So this product is usually helpful for preventing before a peak of the attack. So in DDoS attacks, the once the administrator is being attacked, there might be a huge traffic. You might see in some of the example like BSNL or Meta or YouTube or Book My Show, they may be having some denial of service attacks. So this kind of attacks might be stopped before far ahead before the firewall. It's simply like the one step before the firewall or anything. So this prevention module has been developed via many mathematical models like kurtosis and skewness. So based on that distribution of the curves, we have developed this model. So this is far more viable because when you take a business perspective, there are many kinds of industries. Might be more affordable industries like large industries, small industries, or MSME industries. So, for example, when we take a small industries, they might not afford a great firewall system. So, as a preventive case, we can also acquire this system in very less cost. So, well compared to other preventive measures. So, this is where our product has a extreme novel case.